Well, hello there, YouTube. I had to check and see if it was blinking. Today is Saturday, November 6th. We got a beautiful day. 72 degrees. This is perfect. Got long pants on. I got a long sleeve shirt on. But I did my drawing for my Super Clean giveaway last Tuesday, and Bill Williams, I commented for you so you'd see it, and I gave you my my email address. You gotta please contact me before next Tuesday because I'll have to pick another winner. I sent you my email address, or put my email address on the comment, and if I get your address, I will send it into Super Clean and they will send you some products. So you got to contact me before Tuesday, which today is the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. You got to contact me for the 9th, or I got to pick another winner. Hopefully you're watching videos or even at home. Whew, loud trucks. What a great day, though. I just topped off my tank. It's a gorgeous day for a ride.